Sunny again over the weekend?
Well, we will see plenty of sunshine around. We will want to do a little bit of shower dodging as well, though, because there will be some lurking. Certainly lots around this morning, weren't there? But it's sunshine and showers for the rest of the afternoon. Temperatures are a little bit cooler than they were yesterday. We actually got up to 33 degrees in Gravesend and in Charlwood in Surrey too. Now, we have already seen the main wet weather event, that barrage of showers that we saw this morning, just pushing off to the northeast there. Now, there could be a few more lurking around this afternoon, but certainly not as heavy, not as frequent either. But you will want to watch out for the odd heavyish downpour at times, and perhaps the odd rumble or two of thunder as well. But lots of dry weather too. I think for the next few hours it is looking like a dry picture. Now, we've already got 24 degrees Celsius in Frittenden, so I think temperatures are going to climb a little bit higher than this through the afternoon. Very warm in the sunshine, just quite blustery really, particularly near the coast. Now, as we head through into this evening, we're keeping that strong southwesterly wind. There could be a few more showers popping up here and there, but they'll tend to ease off through the course of the night. It is going to feel much fresher tonight, so you should get a more comfortable night's sleep. Temperatures down to between 14, perhaps as high as 16 degrees Celsius in some of our towns. Now, for the weekend, there will be some showers around at times, but I think there'll also be lots of dry weather as well. We're expecting a line of showers to just form a little bit north of our region, actually. You might get caught in some of those northern areas of Kent and Surrey, but otherwise a mostly dry picture. Do watch out for the odd shower at times, but temperatures are going to be cooler. Look at this, highs of only 21, 22 degrees Celsius. That's really quite disappointing compared to what we have been seeing recently. Same sort of thing on Sunday. Lots of dry weather around, really quite blustery. Watch out for a very wet start to the working week there, Rochelle.